Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ege again, and this time on this session 3 this is architectural tutorial for the vertical wind turbine assignment, and we are going to this is part 3, okay, or phase 3, and we are going to connect the turbine blade that we generated in the last video lesson, and we're going to just simply connect that to the hub. The hub is basically made out of a tube. Okay, there are two circles originally I created. Okay, and outside diameter of the circle is 0.5, half-inch diameter. Inside diameter of the hole is 0.2 inches, and I extrude both of them 1 inch. No, that's yes, 1 inch long. And then after that, I subtract it. There's a subtract command. I use subtract command to make a hole at the center so that it can fit into the axle. There will be an axle inside. Okay. And after doing this one, it's created a solid model after the extrusion of the entire two of them and then finishing the subtraction part. We have a 1 inch long hub. Okay, then I generated a closed power line profile, okay, in airfoil shape by a certain Bernoulli's, according to Bernoulli's principle, and that will be the either extrusion or it's going to be a loft command will be applied. Okay, so I need to have 2 copies of this, at least for each extrusion, and 1 extrusion alongside this line. And I keep saying extrusion, but the command will be loft command. So you need 1 loft here, and perhaps another loft at the end of this line here. And for this loft, you need another 2 copies, at least 1 here and 1 here. Okay. So that's why I have 2 copies already located here, but and then again, it needs to be located in a better place right now. Okay. So I'm going to just simply make another copy. There are already 2 copies on top of each other. Okay, I'm typing CP for a copy, and I'm picking endpoint of the line and taking all the way to endpoint of the line here. Okay. And again, I will do the same thing, and copy command is CP for copy, and I'm going to pick up from the endpoint of the line all the way to endpoint of the line here. For the loft, it requires 2 profiles. Okay. Now they need to be adjusted and relocated. Okay. And so I'm moving this part, one of them, one profile from here to somewhere around here, so that loft can be done. And I move command M for move. I'm selecting this profile from here, perhaps somewhere around on this line again, somewhere around here. Okay. The loft command requires 2 profiles, and I'm going to rotate this particular profile. All right, RO for rotate, and see if I'm going to be able to do that. I may not be able to do that. 3D rotate. So I'm going to just type UCS, enter, and it's asking me to select the surface, enter, and am I going to be able to rotate? RO for rotate, and choose profile, and pick the center point. Okay, at least we're making it parallel to the surface, and that's a good news. Okay, move again, and it needs to be inside the area, somewhat like that. Good. I wonder if I can do the same thing here. And UCS enter. Okay, I'm choosing the surface. Okay, enter. And rotate arrow for rotate. I'm going to select the profile, and the center point will be here. Again, I want to make sure that it is parallel to the general direction. And for move, and profile is being selected and carried inside. Okay. And can I do the same thing for this profile here? Probably. And RO for rotate. Choose. No, actually it is fine. Okay. So I just want to see how it goes. We have to test it, and if it doesn't work, we're going to try it again. So command is loft. Okay. And in the loft command, cross sections. So I'm choosing one cross section here and one cross section here. Okay. And that worked. Okay. Enter. Enter. And enter again. Another loft command comes, and you select the two more cross sections. Okay. Enter. Enter. So now I'm going to just go to shade mode, type shade mode. That's a long command. Commands are supposed to be easy. Go to realistic. Okay. All right, so that's what we created. And I want to look top down so that I can see what's going on. They're not reaching here to the center. There are imperfections, a lot of imperfections here and there. Okay. But we're going to fix that, hopefully. So, for example, what can you do? I'm changing the angle from a view tool on the top. Okay, I'm going to extend this. Okay, so escape. And I want to change my menu to 3D menu. Go to 3D modeling. There's something called press pull. I wonder if I can press pull this surface. And it lets you to press pull in a particular session. All right. So before I do that, do I need to change UCS? Yeah, why not? And choose the surface of it. UCS again. Select the face of the object. Okay. You can say flip, Y flip, X flip. Enter. It is still not in the same direction I like to have. UCS. See if I can modify Z. UCS, enter, previous enter. What I like to do is that the Z-axis should be parallel to the direction here, okay? So UCS enter. And to turn the Z-axis and X-axis, I should choose an X-axis rotation. Okay, that's good. I wonder if I can do the press pull better now. I'm still doing the same way. Okay. And how do we do in the other end? That's the question. How do we do in the other end? Okay. Okay. So if we can type UCS, enter, and then face, enter, choose the face here, enter. Okay, and then go to press pull command, select the surface, enter. a little bit off, and I'm going to change direction of the UCS, enter. Z direction along the y-axis, enter. UCS, enter. And Y, enter. This may help a little bit. And I'm going to use the press pull. And it's the press pull is a very useful command, but you have to be able to control this. Okay, so okay, I just simply moved a little bit, not much. I'm going to go with the UCS again. This time we choose the face here, enter. And then we need to rotate Z, okay, UCS again. Z has to be rotated on X-axis. That, and see the press pull will work better here. Enter. Using local axes, so okay, can we do the same thing here? UCS, enter. Select this surface, face, select this surface, enter. Object, user coordinate system, select the object option, enter. UCS, enter. Object option, enter. Okay. And X option to change the direction. All right, let's see the press pull is gonna work better. It's always using.